Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshiaki from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, this is interesting image. Nobody looks into camera. They all looking, I don't know, wherever they want. I don't know. Well, this is one of shot of the models, one of shot, and I have this image, today's subject, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges. Well, this is pretty good. I mean, every time I'm always making a line pencil drawing type image like this, then using the creative image base. But this time, this is pretty good pencil drawing type image. I think these lines, I think because of that lighting is flat, not that really flat, but everything we can see. So that's why I made this kind of line image. Well, let's get started. I'm going to turn it off, this image, and I'm going to make duplicate this layer, then just turn this base image, one image, turn it off to keep it, and I'm going to work on this second one. I'm going to smudge tool. Okay, use smudge tool, evolve. As always, this is pretty good. Nice smudge tool. Okay, from outside, like this kind of texture, which I really like. Look at this. It's so cool. It's so nice. Well, go for a little bit small. Oops. Make it smaller. This shooting game is not for client and anything like that. This is for my portfolio. I asked those models, they don't know each other before shooting. I just ask them to make something interesting shooting their portfolio also. Turn into pretty good, nice image, I think. This time, composition wise, and especially composition. The lighting is, it's okay. But I'm gonna add some colors to some different effect. I don't know, I'm gonna try. Okay, it's smudging. Okay, now their faces. Alright, pretty good. Now this model. Okay, now I'm going to touch up some little details. Okay. Now I go background. Right, make it a little bigger. Then make opacity 50. Alright, and then for smudging, now what am I gonna do? And I'm gonna turn on this pencil drawing type image, change the blend mode. Let's see. This is multiply to darken, color burn, linear burn. These are all same, just touch different effect. Linear burn goes darker around here. Or the pencil drawing type image is pretty dark. Pretty nice around here, I like that. This is nice too. Let me use color burn overlay. Let me use this overlay 30% or so to get this top light. More just touch emphasize on this. Well, let's go for it. And also I'm gonna duplicate layer, overlay 30%, just leave it here, turn it off. Now I'm gonna work on this, change. This kind of cool. I mean subtract dark image is pretty nice. 17% subtract dark image about 15. And this lighting is good too. That's nice. Yeah, I like this. Well, I will keep this. I'm gonna duplicate, then turn it off. Now I'm gonna continue to see this. Divide, color burn. Okay, go with color burn. I like this image too, pretty sharp. Okay, go for 60. Now, okay, I'm gonna change name each layers, overlay 30. Okay, name, subtract 15. Now, color burn 60. Okay. This is overlay 30%, subtract 15%, 60%. Okay, I'm gonna mask each. Now base is okay. Go for subtract, make mask, invert mask. I'm gonna reveal airbrushing group to soft blend. This is the one. Now next, pretty harsh, huh? And this one goes dark. Okay, color burn. Alright, I'm gonna make mask, invert mask. Now I'm gonna reveal. How's their face? Pretty nice, huh? Okay, the model's face. Reveal, color burn 60. Especially her eyes. That's nice. Look at this. Their faces only, or this color burn effect. Now, next, pretty harsh highlight. Okay, I'm gonna make mask. Now invert mask. Effective on highlight side. So I'm gonna review this like her necklace area, shoulder, her highlight area. Not much on hair, but well lightened up. Well, so far. Now what's next? Okay, now I'm gonna add layer for color. Then I'm gonna add same brush, using same brush to add their skin tones. A little bit more orange. Add more color on her hair. And just touch more yellowish. And just like a key light from top. And raise the hair too. And just touch orange. Touch key light. Well, what do you think? Canvas, resize. I want to add canvas, just a touch. Now, I want to smudge like this, get texture from this. Still see the square straight lines, but that's okay. Just get some. Okay, like this. How's this? Yeah, I like that. Alright. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of a idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and well, you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.